Hello and welcome to my channel Donnie's Know-How. Today I am going to show you how to germinate adenium plants from seeds at home. Adeniums, are beautiful flowers, beautiful desert flowers and found in rocky grounds, and they have beautiful big cortex and plenty of blooms, and they bloom for years and years altogether. They are single petal, they are double petal. Now there are hybrid varieties. Today I'm with one of my plants which is around 7 years old, and it has seed pods. Here you see the seed pods are here, they're ready. One has already bursted out, so that they don't fly away because they have got cotton like thing, very light, feathery. They fly away with the wind and then they fall here and there in the desert to grow. So we have tied it with a rope or the string, and now we are taking out the seeds from the pod. This is the pod, and we separate the seed pod, the seed from the fluffy hairy thing that is attached to them. And after doing so, the seeds would look like this. Yeah, like this. And now we will dry them in the sun for at least 2 days here, so that the seeds don't fly away. I'm putting it in a poly bag. And now take a plate, any plate will do, and here I'm taking a moisture plate and fill the holes, drainage holes, with some terracotta pieces or even a dry leaf, because this exercise is only for about a month. After that we will be throwing it away. Now take some coarse river sand, which is washed previously and dried, and spread it evenly. Dry because you don't want your seeds to get fungus attack. Now pour water over the sand until the water runs out of the drainage holes. See, the water has escaped from the drainage holes. Wait for some time so that excess water goes out of the drainage holes, and some drainage hole may not be covered well, so readjust them. Here I am putting a leaf to readjust it, otherwise all the sand will go through the drainage hole and it will create problem. After a few minutes it will dry out. Now you take a bowl and take some mancozeb soft powder or bavestin. These are fungicides powder. You don't want the seeds to get sick while they are on the sand, soggy sand. So you mix your seeds, which are ready now after sun dry, into the powder here. Mix it well so that the powder gets into every seed. All these things you can do at home in your free time, after office, on Sundays, on holidays. Now take the seeds and put them over the sand. They look like rice. Every seed pod has about 25 to 50 seeds, and here I am using 2 seed pods, seeds of 2 seed pods. Now evenly spread the seeds so that they don't overlap and come over each other. Give them enough space to send roots and grow healthy. Now take the same sand that you have with you and spread over these seeds gently. Cover every seed. I'm showing you in a little detail because many people would find it very easy to do while watching this video. Okay, having covered this with the sand, now you'll have to pour, spray some water, not pour, spray some water because you don't want to damage the seeds. And when you do this, you'll see that some of the seeds show out because they were not covered well. Put some more sand to cover them up fully and soak water. Now you wrap it with a newspaper. A big newspaper would do without tying. Just tuck them underneath the plate and keep this in the shade, in a warm shady place, preferably under a silpoline or a tarpaulin or a white plastic or whatever, for few days. Now after the 6th day, I'm showing you what's going on. See, most of the seeds have germinated and they're pushing the sand up. This is after 6th day. I have kept it under a very warm silpoline, plastic silpoline. Then further on the 10th day, let me show you what's the result. This is the 10th day after I have sown the seeds. On the 10th day, this is all fully germinated. See, so beautiful plants have come out of this. They're 10 days old, and the temperature over here is around between 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. So guys, this is so easy. Now keep it for a few days and let each plant have around 4 to 6 leaves. When they have 4 to 6 leaves, transplant them, and transplant them in a dry soil, not very water soggy, otherwise they don't like water, I have told you before. So guys, if you have liked this video, maybe just put a like and please subscribe so that I can make more videos. If you have liked it, in a very simple way I have made it, tried to make it. Your like and your subscription will